Morning everyone. Still a lot of rain around, but they say it's clearing. Tomorrow's going to be 30. That sounds good. I don't see anybody this side fishing. Lady taking her dogs for a walk. Very black up north. That's where we got an easterly wind, so that's going to come back down this way. There's nobody fishing down this side. We'll go and check the beach, swim beach side. Tide's high. Tide's still coming in. Oh, the wind's starting to blow now down on the beach side. There's Rich down there. There's his stuff over here. Oh, water's nearly up to his things. Looking for bream before he goes to work. I hope he gets something today. Anyway, wherever you are, have a great day in Tidelines. We'll see what happens tomorrow.